bad for the first half, but we gotta keep this up.
Hey, no problem. We stole
we
the
stole
game.
time, boss, from the best players in the NBA. Charles Barkley, Murphy Cole, and it was little, Grandmama. What's it, Larry Johnson?
Shut up! I smell something.
We have been playing really hard.
Yeah.
Not you, you idiot. It's coming from over here.
That locker.
Yeah!
Look. It's the chubby boy.
It smells like a spy.
You guys need a publicist? I can make you big.
Look, I know we're down.
Oh, yeah. Let's hear the story.
But I've been in this situation many times before.
Oh, this is a
We can still win this thing. It's not over with. We gotta come together.
Oh,
we gotta
yeah.
believe in ourselves. We can come back and win this game.
Yeah, right. That's gonna help us. Looks like Stan just had a close encounter with a bug zapper.
Monsters. The monsters!
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Right, Stan?
The monsters stole the talent from the NBA players.
So that's what happened to those guys.
I think we should forfeit.
Yeah. Listen, I didn't get dragged down here just to get my butt whipped by a bunch of ugly monsters. I ain't going out like that. We're letting them push us around. We gotta fight them back. We gotta take it to them. We gotta get right in their faces. And what do you say? Are you with me or not?
Finished? Great speech and all, Doc. You had him riveted. But didn't you forget something?
What?
Your secret stuff. Wow. Whoa. Nice deltoid. Play along. Stop hogging it, Mike. We're your teammates. Secret stuff?
You wouldn't hold out on us, would you?
No, I mean, I didn't think you guys really needed it. I mean, you're so tough. You're competitive.
We're also chicken tough. We need it bad.
I'd like some.
You know, this goes against everything they taught me in health class.
You want to win or not?
Bottoms up. Yummy.
All right. How about we go out and kick some alien butt, huh? Let's go. How about it, huh? Ready?